Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset Opera web browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open your Opera browser on your PC, then click on this one menu button that is looks like O, and then select Update and Recovery in the drop down menu. On the window under recovery option, click on this one recover button. This will open a pop-up window. Here you will find two options to reset your Opera browser. First one option will reset search engine to default, remove pinned tabs, reset browser settings. It will also disable extensions and clear temporary data such as cookies. However, bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. And the next one option is reset my data and Opera setting. This will completely restore your Opera browser to just like a new one. In case you have little problem, you can try with first one option. In case first one option does not solve your issue, you can select this one second option and click on this one recover button. Opera browser will Opera browser will restart and you have to set up it again with your personal data, whatever you want. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.